Soumya, still on a phone? You are on the phone for the entire day. What is this?
No. I want to see the cartoon. Give me the phone.
No more cartoons. And that's it. You have on your phone since morning. You will get addicted at such a young age and lose your eyes, mind and concentration.
You also remain on phone all day? Why? Have you lost your eyes and mind?
Shut up, Soumya. You are answering back now. Stop it, Soumya. No way. You are not getting your phone back.
Mom, please give it to me. Mom, please, Mom.
No way, Soumya.
Mom, please give it to me, Mom.
Soumya, no means no. And that's it.
No, I want to watch my cartoon.
Soumya, what is this behavior?
No, I want my phone back.
Soumya, stop this and do not behave like this.
I need phone. Please give me the phone.
Soumya, this is call from my boss and you just keep quiet for 2 minutes.
Give me the phone. Give me the phone, please, Mom. Give me the phone.
Yes, sir. Of course. Yeah, sir. I have sent the presentation and have included the point. Okay. Yes, sir. Sir, can you excuse me for 1 second, please? Enough. Take this phone and keep quiet now.
Yay.
Yes, sir. Yeah, sir. I have included the point. Okay. Let me send it right now.
Shiva, oh Shiva, you can read the book at home. Who reads while walking?
Mom, you got me such a great book that I cannot wait to read it.
So do I want to read, but let us do this with pakoda and chocolate at home.
Yay! Mama, if they can use their phone while walking, we cannot read, right?
Be careful.
I am so sorry. I hope you are not hurt. Kids these days never leave their phone behind.
You were using phone too.
Shiva, keep quiet. We shifted to 402 a month back. You must come home someday and have tea. Our kids are also of the same age. They may become good friends, right, Shiva?
That's an idea.
I will come for sure and get Soumya along. Right, Soumya? Soumya! Phone addiction. Can't do anything. We will leave then. Come on, let's go, Soumya. Soumya, what are you doing? You are always on the phone and you are getting addicted now.
Welcome home, Mom.
You have become quite notorious, Shiva.
What was wrong with what that I said?
What you said was beyond wrong.
Come, Mom. Let us read book.
Okay, let us.
Okay, Sheila, I am coming. We will meet. I will reach there by 3 and will drop Soumya at the tuition and be back.
Listen, Mom, listen.
What happened, Soumya? I am on phone and chopping vegetables at the same time. Wait, beta.
Mom, listen, Mom.
Soumya, sometimes you trouble me so much. Do not disturb me. Now, go and watch cartoons.
Yay!
Yes, Sheila. Yeah, we will have coffee after that too. She will have tuition, so it's fine. I can be up. Soumya, as soon as you step out of the house, your phone time is done. We are going to Shiva home for the first time, and what will they think of us? And Shiva had already commented on it too. Neither of us will touch our phones. Okay? Now promise.
Mom, is it necessary to go there? Neither of them are our friend.
Soumya, You and your phone. Let us go. You have to go now.
Hi Soumya, my name is Shiva.
Soumya, say hi.
It's fine. She's just a child. Soumya, do you know Shiva has lots of toys? Right, Shiva?
Come, I will show you my toys.
Go and have fun.
Sit down, please. I have just made some tea.
Did you not like my things? No. I have a doll too, so if you want to play, you can take it. This is not a good thing to do.
You are not nice. No one is nice. Huh?
Soumya, what are you doing?
Nothing. I want to go home.
Shiva gave you his doll to play with. Why would you throw that on the floor? Is it that what I taught you? Huh? Is this how to behave at someone's place?
Mamta, it's okay. She's a kid. Don't scold a child this way.
Stop, please. Don't teach me how to raise my child. I know how to do it well. Please. Come on, let's go, Soumya.
Shiva, give me the phone. It is in my room.
No, Mom, I can't find it.
I looked around the entire house. I don't know where did it go. I do not have another phone to ring mine.
I have an idea.
What is it?
Auntie, can we use your phone to ring Mom's phone? We cannot find it.
I am so sorry to disturb you, since there is only one phone at home.
It's okay. Let me get my phone. Please come inside until then. Jyoti, I'm so sorry to have told you that at your house.
Don't be sorry. It's not easy to be a parent, and we all are going through the same stage. Shiva, go home and check if it is ringing.
Mama, the phone is ringing here.
Soumya? Where did you get the phone from? You stole it? You have made me feel ashamed in front of everyone. How dare you to steal? Phone, all the day. Is this what I have taught you? Are you not ashamed?
Mom, do something.
Your game and going around are done. What less have I done for you? I am really sorry, Jyoti. My daughter took your phone. I could not be a good mom.
Do not blame yourself. It's not your fault. Here, have some water. We are taught how to be good humans, but there is no school to teach parenting. Very less people talk about how to bring up a child.
How do you manage it all, Jyoti? Shiva is such a great child. He is more interested in books than phone. He listens to everything you say.
They may or may not follow us, but they are always watching our actions, our behaviors, and our habits. It has huge effects on kid. We are busy, tired, or mad about how our boss was mad at us. We are tied up with the responsibilities or burden of life. We do not know what will our kids will become in the future. We can do at least try to make them a better person than us, right?
My mom will hit me a lot. It was because your mom was here, so I got away with less.
I don't think any mom feels good hitting their child. Of course, at last they regret on beating.
Your mom is nice.
If you stop troubling your mom, she would be nice too. Do you know how many stories a book holds? Of princes, kings, kingdoms, etc. etc.
Princess too?
Yes, princess too. I will give you many books.
I am so sorry. I should not have stolen it. I did embrace my mom.
Come on, apologize. That's it.
Shiva, shall we leave?
Bye. I am sorry, mom.
I am also very sorry, my child.